I got these new PEX cutters to cut some PEX pipe for another project I'm going to do. And it occurred to me that maybe I can use it to chop up old prints, because some of these things are just too big to fit in my Vitamix for recycling. So I'm having a hard time doing this one-handed. Bear with me. Here we go. I got it in there. So, bop, 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 like butter. No problem at all. Of course, this isn't the thickest stuff in the world, but yeah. Chop through it real good. I got the 2-inch opening, or 1 5/8 inch opening, and this is the Work Pro brand off of Amazon. They were pretty doggone cheap. So I apologize for the camera being all over the place. And then you just pop something like that. Yeah, this is going to work just fine. I'll be able to chop up all my big prints with the Work Pro PEX cutters. There we go.